Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best OM System OM5 Mark II products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Olympus OM1 Mark II. This is OM System's flagship mirrorless camera, featuring a 20 MBX stacked BSI live MOS sensor and the Trupic X image processor. It's an advanced option for professionals or enthusiasts who crave superior image quality and performance. The camera offers up to 8.5 steps of 5-axis in-body image stabilization, making it ideal for handheld shooting under challenging conditions. What's more, it boasts the world's first live graduated ND function for creative long-exposure photography without the need for filters. In terms of design and build, the OM1 Mark II is robust, weather-sealed, and feels premium in the hand. It's splash-proof, dust-proof, and freeze-proof, giving you the confidence to take it to extreme environments. The ergonomic layout of the controls ensures that you can operate the camera comfortably for extended periods. While its performance is stellar in terms of image quality, low-light capabilities, and 4K video recording, the only drawback is its price. Though listed at $1 for this comparison, its actual price is typically much higher, making it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, it's best suited for professionals or serious hobbyists who demand the best performance from a Micro Four Thirds camera. Coming in at number 4 is the OMD EM5 Mark II. This camera is built for photographers who require mobility without compromising performance. It features a 16.1 MP sensor and 5-axis image stabilization, ensuring sharp and steady shots even in less than ideal conditions. Its compact and lightweight body makes it an excellent travel companion, while the rugged, dust-proof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof design ensures reliability in harsh environments. The EM5 Mark II provides a user-friendly experience with its tilting LCD and large electronic viewfinder, making it easy to compose shots in any scenario. Its cinema-quality video stabilization is a standout feature for videographers, allowing stable handheld recordings without additional gear. Despite its excellent build quality and features, the sensor resolution may feel outdated compared to newer models with 20 MP sensors. Ideal for enthusiasts and intermediate photographers, this camera is a solid performer. Its price point, when available, places it below flagship models, but its feature set is versatile and capable. The main downside is its aging sensor, which might not meet the expectations of those seeking the latest technology. At number 3 is the Olympus EM10 Mark IV, a fantastic choice for those looking to get into mirrorless photography without breaking the bank. It packs a 20 MP live MOS sensor and 5-axis image stabilization, delivering clear and vibrant images even in handheld scenarios. This camera also supports 4K video recording, making it a versatile option for both still photography and videography. The design is sleek and modern, with a silver finish that stands out. A flip-down touchscreen makes it easy to capture selfies, while the always-on Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless file transfers to your smartphone. At just 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for everyday use or travel. The inclusion of a kit lens, 14 to 42 millimeters, adds to its value, making it a ready-to-go package. While it delivers incredible value for its price, the EM10 Mark IV lacks some advanced features like weather sealing and higher continuous shooting speeds. It's best suited for casual shooters, beginners, or travelers who want a reliable and stylish camera without jumping into professional-level pricing. Overall, it's a well-rounded package with excellent build quality and performance for its category. At number 2, we're looking at a lens rather than a camera body. the m.zuiko Digital ED 100 to 400 mm f5.0 to 6.3 is2. This super telephoto lens is ideal for wildlife, sports, or any long-range photography needs. With a focal length that extends up to 1600 millimeters with a teleconverter, this lens offers unmatched versatility. Its 5-axis sync IS stabilization ensures sharp images even at extreme focal lengths, making handheld shooting possible. The design is impressively lightweight for a lens of this range, weighing just 2.92 pounds, and features a weather-sealed body for outdoor use. The tripod mount design adds flexibility, as it's compatible with Arca Swiss clamps and can be detached without removing the lens from the camera. These thoughtful design elements make it convenient for photographers who need to adapt quickly to changing conditions. While this lens is an excellent performer, its aperture range of f5.0 to 6.3 limits its low-light capabilities. It's best suited for daylight shooting or situations with adequate lighting. Overall, this lens is a must-have for Micro Four Thirds users who need a reliable, high-performance telephoto lens for shooting distant subjects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Olympus OM5, the ultimate combination of advanced features, rugged design, and value. With a 20 MP BSI live MOS sensor and computational photography features like handheld high-res shot, live ND, and focus stacking, this camera delivers exceptional performance. The cross-quad pixel AF system ensures fast and precise focusing with 1053 cross-type points covering the entire frame. The OM5's design is built for outdoor photographers with IP53 rated weather sealing that protects it from dust, splashes, and freezing temperatures. The camera also features an articulating OLED screen and an ergonomic layout that makes it comfortable to use during long shooting sessions. At 2 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and portability. Priced at $899, the OM5 is an excellent choice for advanced amateurs and professionals alike. Its computational photography capabilities make it a standout in the Micro Four Thirds world, and it's well-suited for landscape, wildlife, and travel photography. The only downside is the lack of a built-in flash, but for most users, this won't be a deal-breaker. In summary, the OM5 offers the best balance of features, build quality, and price, earning its spot as our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.